Having said that, that's okay, like a new witch or anything.
Okay guys, happy Halloween. Today is Halloween.
Hi guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Here's to another coffee morning vlog. Let's get into it. Okay guys, happy Halloween. Today is Halloween. I wanted to look crazy and do kind of like a fun video and makeup look for you guys, and then gossip about Kim Kardashian and her daughter and the whole thing. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy today's video. If this is your first time, my name is EllieArket. I am a psychic medium, a manifestation life coach, and founder of EllieArket Cosmetics. On this channel, I like to do my makeup and gossip at the same time. So if you guys like content like that, I hope you guys consider subscribing, liking, and we're gonna get started. So I already washed my face. Literally today's fucking nuts. Everyone's calling me, texting me. Hold on guys.
Literally, everyone is on my freaking nerves today. Like, every time I sit down, I've been trying to do this thing for you guys all morning.
Alright, so I've already washed my face this morning and it's been like a hectic morning already. So my 24 karat gold collagen skincare system is literally amazing. My soap is 24 karat gold collagen, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle for face and body. So I started with that.
Smells amazing.
And then now we're gonna go in with my 24 karat gold collagen serum. I have a day serum and a night serum. Oh my god. I watched part of Kim Kardashian's sex tape last night. I know it's been like on sex site, like porn sites and stuff like that. And yeah, I know. I guess it's been on porn sites. I don't know. Like, I don't watch porn, but like, I know it's been already, like, people have seen it, or I guess you have to pay for it or whatever. But I've never seen it, you guys. Like, I've never seen it. I'm gonna go in with my 24 karat gold collagen face cream. This is the most hydrating face cream you'll ever need. You just like literally need just like a little bit. It's retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. It's literally amazing. So of course, like, I've never seen it. I'm a girl, like, I don't watch porn, whatever. And so one of my friends sent me like a screenshot. She's like, oh my god, basically her sex tape is like now available for everyone to see, like, without paying for it. She sent me like, you know, like a couple of clips of it and stuff, and I was just like laughing my ass off. Like, you know, first of all, I've already talked about it on this channel about how Kris Jenner, basically her mom, set up her and Ray J 3 different locations to go shoot this you know, sex tape, and then the mom watched it. Like, you know, Kim Kardashian's mom, Kris Jenner, disclaimer, the studios for entertainment purposes only, is already out and about, everybody knows about it. Ray J came on Instagram and talked about it openly, how, you know, basically they signed a contract, and he was told that he was going to get $400,000 and Kim Kardashian was going to get $400,000, and then they released it, or they leaked it to Vivid or whatever. I think that's Vivid, right? So so everybody already knows. Everybody knows, and the cat's out of the bag. Like, and then I think the Kardashians are just like they're not even addressing it. They're not really doing anything. I think I heard like Kim saying something on Instagram to Ray J. Meanwhile, like Kim literally, you guys, like, became famous because of this sex tape. Like, nobody even knew who she was. Like, but it's really pornographic. Like, it's pornographic. You see the whole thing. Her playing the flute, you know what that means, and then him going down on her. And then I was watching a couple of clips of it. I know this is so vile talking about it, but I was watching a little bit of it and I was laughing my ass off because, like, she's so boring. I was just like, oh my god, is this how she's in bed? Like, yeah, baby, I just want you to. And I was just like, oh my god, her energy is so lame. I always like think about people, like, you know, when you meet people and stuff like that, I'm always like, I wonder what their sex life is. Like, how are they in bed? Because sometimes people are like really aggressive, like in real life, but then they're very, like, you know, submissive, like in bed, or they're very submissive in real life, and then like really dominant, like, you know, in bed. And I always wondered like how she was gonna be, because I've had friends like that are like really like just chill, but they've told me stories that, you know, they like to chain their boyfriends up and stuff like that, and they get like really like crazy. But like Kim is really the same way, like in life and like in her private life sexually, like she's just really boring. And I don't know how anybody likes that. Now it kind of makes sense why Kanye West was like attracted to her, because Kanye is like really fiery and really like, you know, over the top, like psychotic, and then and Kim is just like really chill, and so maybe he needs that kind of energy, because I think she's a Libra and he's a Gemini, so I think that would be like, you know, a good match for them. So let me do my eyebrows. So anyways, so I watched that and I was like, holy shit, like it's really weird, you know, because like I've been watching the Kardashians for like, I don't know, like forever, and just to see something that intimate, I was like, I felt so like, I felt bad for her, you guys. I felt like, wow, this is really crazy. I know like this is how they made it, and I know that she agreed to it and she was like in on it, but at the same time, I felt really bad for her, because look at her now. Like she's this like huge like business mogul, and you know, with a $100 million private plane, and she's trying to, you know, take over the world, and then but this is still like lingering over her head, and I don't even know if they know. I don't even know if they know that this is like now public, like publicly you can watch it, like you can type in Kim Kardashian's sex tape and then it comes up. Like that's fucking nuts. Obviously this was planned. Obviously the mom was trying to get, you know, her daughter like, you know, rich and famous, which she did. So congratulations, you know, Kim's mom, Kris Jenner, like you're like literally like a pimp. All right, I'm gonna do some eyeshadows. So anyways, but then the other topic that I want to talk to you guys about is that, first of all, it's like so embarrassing. Like, oh my God, if you have to become like rich and famous that way, like I don't even know what to say. I think I'm gonna do pink to start with, and then we're gonna like darken it. Yeah, I'm gonna do pink like right here. That I want to talk about is that I have this thing about kids. Like I love kids and stuff like that. Like I love babies and kids. When I say kids, I mean like toddler. Like I love babies up to like 3 years old, like 3-4 years old. Like once you pass the 3-4 year old, like I'm not interested. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to deal with you. I find kids super annoying. I can't stand them. Kids that are like 7, 8, 9 years old get on my fucking nerves, and Northwest demonstrates that you know, philosophy that I have. Like I don't know what it is, but it's like I think they're trying to be like, yeah, look at me, I'm an adult now. They're not though. They're like a fucking kid, and so that part of it, just like she gets on my nerves. I can't stand her. I've never liked her. I don't like her energy. And then the other thing that is like really effed up is that she constantly makes fun of Kim. I wanted to open the discussion in regards to like loyalty according to Zodiac signs. For some reason, Geminis, she's a Gemini. They're not really loyal. I don't know if they understand the concept or they just don't care. Maybe they're just kind of like psychotic or something like that, because I was with a Gemini for 6 years and they're kind of like psychotic, right? Like, I don't know. I've had Gemini girlfriends, like they seem cool and stuff like that, but there's no loyalty. Like they will drop you. Like they will drop you. They don't care. They don't call you back. They don't text you back. They make plans and then they just like flake on you. Like I don't know how to describe them, but like as an Aries with Leo rising and Scorpio, so I'm Aries and Leo and Scorpio. Those are the 3 major signs of my you know, astrological astrological chart. Like my sun is in Aries, my rising is Leo. The Leo is like what makes me want to just like be performing and, you know, be in front of the camera all the time. And then Scorpio is, my moon is in Scorpio. So the Scorpio is where I get all my, you know, occult interests and psychics and being a psychic and being a medium, or like, you know, talking to ghosts and stuff like that. Like I feel like that the dark side of my personality definitely comes from my Scorpio side, because my moon is in Scorpio. So when your moon sign, basically your moon sign is basically like how you are like privately, like emotionally. And for me, yeah, I'm very Scorpio, like internally, like I think like a Scorpio, I behave like a Scorpio, but then my outside world, like my ascendant, like my sun sign and my rising sign is very hyper bubbly fire sign. But like I'm super loyal. Like I'm so loyal, you guys. Like if I go to a doctor, I'll continue seeing the same doctor because I just feel like guilty, like changing doctors. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Like I just feel like there is definitely there's definitely such a thing in about, you know, Zodiac, you know, each zodiac has its like strengths and weaknesses, but I feel bad for Kim because I think at the end of the day, I don't think Kim is a bad person, you guys. She just, you know, she wanted to become famous. She was around famous people. She was like, you know, Paris Hilton's like I don't know, like she fixed her closet or she shopped for her. She was like a personal shopper. She wanted to be rich and famous. There's like nothing wrong with that, you know. She was ambitious and she wanted to make it, so she did some crazy shit to make it. Okay, cool, whatever. I don't think Kim is a bad person. I really don't think she's a bad person. But for her daughter to treat her the way she is doing, basically people are saying, you know, Northwest should be canceled because she's super rude to her mom, and she's super rude to her cousins. And basically, apparently, allegedly, Kylie Jenner wants to make like an intervention in regards to like the way like North behaves towards her cousins, you know, the kids and stuff like that, and also towards Kim. I think it's really effed up. Like, your daughter, instead of having your back, like makes fun of you and stuff like that. Like, and to me, I'm sorry, North is not cute. Like I said, you know, when she was a little girl, she was super cute. Anytime you were past the age of 3,
Don't talk to me. I don't care.
you're done. Your cuteness is over. Your cuteness is over. Okay, so the eyes are done. It's very like cute and mild, nothing too crazy. I just put some navy in the corners, like a navy purpley in the corner, and then I have some like pink in here. Every time I wear this wig, I feel like I look like Gwen Stefani from that music video where it's the cake and stuff like that, and she has like this like pink wig, and like she's stunning. Like, I'm obsessed with her. I think she's so stunning, but I feel like I look like that. But anyway, so that's done. Her face is done. I'm gonna do everything I'm showing you guys. Always remember is you guys can purchase it on my website, EllieArket.com. All the blush, highlighter, lipstick, eyeshadow, everything, I'm going to list it always in the description box down below. If you guys want to buy the beauty devices, you have to go to elliecosmetics.co. So we're gonna get down with some highlighter. And first I'm gonna do my blush first. So anyways, that's what's going on. Everyone wants to cancel North. She kind of behaves like Kanye West, which is so odd because Kanye is a Gemini. Not to talk shit about Geminis, like not all Geminis are the same way. I'm just saying, Kanye is a Gemini and North is a Gemini, and they have the same personality. They act the same, they talk the same, and it's kind of a little, it's weird, right? All right, so I'm gonna do some crazy like highlighter. First, I take like a bigger brush and I just like really go crazy, and I just pull it up like it's Halloween, want to just look clowny, you know. Then I take my finger and I put the highlighter with my finger, because if I want to have like, you know, look at that, like it's just fucking nuts. Like I look like a flashlight right now. It's like insane. It's a smaller brush. This is actually by Elf. It's a highlighter, and then I just kind of really go nuts and just like do it here. I don't know what's going on outside. Hopefully no one's dying because it's Halloween and people are just probably going to be like driving like crazy. So this is the highlight. Like, oh my god, this is like, I look like a creature right now. I literally look like a creature. So for lips, since I have this pink hair going on, I think I'm going to do black lipstick. Yeah, I'm going to do black lipstick. So I'm going to wear my Hallows Eve. This is a black velour liquid lipstick. It goes on wet, but then it dries down, and it's matte, it's waterproof, vegan, organic, cruelty free. You can use this for eyeliner, eyeshadows. You can put it inside your waterline. All of my lipsticks are safe because they're vegan and organic. So we're gonna do the black lipstick. I think it's gonna look super pretty. And I'm sitting in my sweats and stuff like that. I'm not really dressed up, but you know. So I'm just gonna go with it right now, and we're gonna put this down. Okay. So the cool thing about my wands is like you don't need a lip liner really. You can just like line your lips with the tip of the wand. And oh my god, this looks really cool. I kind of like leave my mouth open like that for it to dry. You have to make sure that you get all the corners and stuff, because when it dries down, it's going to show.
And this is Hallow's Eve.
Anyway, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm first thing in the morning getting up and hanging out with you guys. It really makes my day. Like I just like love that I can just like sit here and just hang out with you guys, have my coffee, and just like it's really relaxing, and I just like love it so much. I hope you guys consider subscribing. I hope you guys like this video, and let me know your thoughts down below. I feel like really embarrassed for Kim. Like, it doesn't matter what she does later on in life, the fact that there is a pornographic, like porn video of her circulating on the internet for everyone to see is kind of embarrassing, and it's very vivid and you can see everything, and it's embarrassing. But these people will do anything for fame, you know. But at the same time, you know, I don't think she's a bad person or anything like that. All right, well, we shall see if Northwest is going to become canceled or not. I can't stand her. I don't like her. I don't think she's funny. She's not cute. Hang it up, Northwest. Just chill, okay? Your mom is really beautiful, and you have a really beautiful family, and you're lucky to be a part of this family. Stop making fun of them.
How you said that? I meant to be like a mean witch or anything.
But, oh my God, you guys, look at my highlighter. So, highlighter, lipstick, skincare, blush, highlighter, all of that is available on my website at EllieArket.com. If you guys want to buy beauty devices that's going to make you more snatched, go to elliecosmetics.co. If you guys want to book a session with me for reading, coaching, anything spiritual, EllieArket.com. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another coffee morning vlog, makeup and gossip. Bye guys.